I don't have my mic. The house is a disaster, but if you guys want to see these videos, you're gonna see my house like this. So this is today's outfit that I was going to wear, and then I immediately leaked through this shirt, and I guess you can't tell really badly, but I know it can get worse throughout the day, so I'm gonna change into something else. But I really loved how this looked. I loved the green and the red, and I felt really cute and accessorized. You want some mozzarella cheese? Let's do it. I'll make you a snack. And then the shoes are Cushionaire. I just slid them on really quickly, but I'll show you the second outfit. This will all stay the same because I think it looks cute. Here's the second outfit of the day. Bandana, hoops again. This dress is from Old Navy, and then I'll wear the same shoes. If you can hear Daniel Tiger, I'm actually gonna hold this up here, but I cut my crew neck sweatshirt into like a t-shirt. It's so comfy. All the hems were ripping anyways on this crew neck. I've had it forever. Why does it look so cute with like my hair too being short? This is what I normally wear though on our first walk of the day. Literal boxers and whatever I slept in. I've tried the past 4 days to film this, so I need to do it quickly, but it is quick, so I don't know why it's taking me so long. I feel like because I've been limited to what I wear, I've been having more fun with hair and makeup. First of all, like pulling everything straight back used to be like a trigger to me because my hairline. I don't know why I've like been thinking my hairline's cute recently, but I use this e.l.f. lip stain for lips. It stays on so long and just makes me feel a little bit more put together. It's pretty jarring right now, but like it fades into like this really cute berry color. But then I also have been using this Kosas like cheek blush stick. I literally ran out of all mine, and then they sent me this. This is in the color Vital, and I do like the tiniest dabs right there, and it's almost bronzy, which I haven't had a color like this. And I even do a little bit, it looks really jarring on camera, but it's not, a little here. Because again, it just looks like bronzy. And then lips. But this fades, but the stain stays on. And I feel like I just look so much more alive for not sleeping. And that's the makeup routine. You might be able to hear Clifford in the background, but this is the outfit. I've got this dress from Christy Dawn, and I love their dresses. I've been kind of scared to wear it, but I feel like something like this where it can feel very like matronly or even like a muumuu. You have to do it with more trendy or like current pieces so it doesn't feel so old lady. So we've got these like jelly sandals from Gap, and then more like sporty sunglasses, and I pulled my hair up with a scrunchie, and I actually like love how this looks. I was so scared of this dress and it didn't fit my arms, but I'm really happy that I have no other dresses clean and I had to work with it because I think it got styled so cute. That's all. And the baby is a really good accessory. I have a super boring outfit, but I had Ruby in like the Art-A-Pop carrier all day. This one, so you kind of see that as part of the outfit, which is fun, honestly. And then I'm just wearing these jeans from Mousy Vintage. Tank top from Calvin Klein. I literally just woke up from like a 4-hour nap. Ruby and I go and take a nap together. If Brandon and Lou ever leave the house without us, I instantly fall asleep with him. And then I just thought these shoes looked really cute with these jeans just peeking out the front. It's something that like I wouldn't normally notice, but since I don't have a lot to work with, like that adds so much. And then baby on front, but I just didn't get to filming like that. This guy. See you tomorrow. Today's outfit, it's very hot. We went to my dad's art show. The like stuff accumulating in the background. Baby feet. Whatever. I could not pick out an outfit today. I'm not loving skirts and dresses because my thighs are chafing and I don't have like long underwear. My thighs didn't do that before, so it's learning what to do with that. Cezanne sunglasses. This is just like a normal graphic tee that I cut the top and bottom off of. Fabrique white skirt and the little cushionaire shoes I always wear when it's too hot. And then this skirt, I normally wear it low-waisted, which I guess I could have. No, it's like too tight on the hips. So it turned into high-waisted, but I actually thought it looked cute. And then I didn't show the bag I've been using. It's this little canvas tote. I don't know where this is from, but it says Lainey on it, and just like the all cream outfit I thought was really cute. And Lucy has a matching one of these, and it's nice to have like a little bag and then a little bag and then the big like diaper bag that goes just under the stroller. Goodbye. I love Susie and Daughter of a Hoarder or Ruby's outfits of the week, but mine are just so different. I already like did everything today in this outfit, and then I feel like after, when we come home and there's a lull, is when I get to film it, so I'm like sweaty and gross. But I ended up wearing this to the grocery store, and then we walked around like a little downtown area where I live and got like matcha, and then went to the bookstore, whatever. This is that crew neck that I cut. It was pretty breezy today, so I could get away with it in the morning, but like now I'm getting hot. These glasses, I think these are Luxola. No, these are Bonnie Clyde, and Brandon and I fight over them. They're really good, and you can like actually see out of them. And then these are Brandon's little Adidas shorts he gave me, and I don't know why I like the silhouette of this. Then I'm just wearing flip-flops with it, which I don't love, but yeah. We stopped at TJ Maxx though, because my friend Amanda told me that the dresses were good, so I'm going to change into this one. A lot of the dresses that I have get really wrinkled, and my clothes just don't get hung up in time right now with a newborn, so I decided to pick that one up, and we'll see if it fits. It seems like it won't wrinkle, and it's stretchy. Here's the dress. I definitely could have done with a large, but they didn't have that at TJ Maxx. This was like on the clearance rack. It's very body yaddy yaddy. Booby, I took my bra off because it actually fits my boobs better that way. I'm talking about my boobs because I'm breastfeeding, so everything's just whatever. But I think it's really cute, and it's very stretchy and comfortable, so I will definitely wear this, and I'm gonna wear it right now. Sorry if that's gross that I'm not washing it. And I'll probably be barefoot the rest of the day. But something like this, if I wanted to wear it like to the pool or like somewhere super casual, the park, I'm either going to do it with sneakers or flip-flops. But let me show you the sneakers. These blue sneakers with this brown polka dot dress would just make it so casual. And then like the sporty sunglasses. I feel like I've learned to rely so much on sunglasses after having a pixie and not being able to rely on my hair to like carry the outfit to what I want it to be. So that would be it. But I'll probably do flip-flops today because I don't know if we're going to the park, but if we go to the park, it'll be these shoes. Yeah, I actually love this dress. It's so comfy. I want to like look up the brand and find more like it. And being so honest, I will probably wear this dress tomorrow because it just feels like something that's not going to get stinky, and that, I don't know, it's like moisture wicking, so I can probably do with that. And it's already like, to me, the day's over because it's 2 o'clock. That clock's not working. I think it's like 2 or 3 o'clock, so the day's over to me. We basically make lunch and dinner and life ends.